Creating period authenticity, set design for historical films. Title: Creating period authenticity, set design for historical films. Introduction. Historical films have long been a favorite genre among filmmakers and audiences alike. Whether it's the grandeur of ancient civilizations, the intrigue of bygone eras, or the tumultuous events of the past, historical films transport us to different times and places. While captivating storytelling and talented actors play pivotal roles in the success of these movies, one often underappreciated element is set design. Creating period authenticity through set design is a meticulous and crucial aspect of bringing history to life on the silver screen. In this article, we will delve into the world of set design for historical films, exploring the art and challenges of recreating the past with precision. Attention to detail, and creativity. From meticulous research to sourcing accurate props and materials, every aspect of set design contributes to the immersive experience of a historical film. The importance of historical accuracy. When it comes to historical films, accuracy is paramount. Audiences are not only looking for compelling stories and performances but also an authentic representation of the time period being depicted. Any deviation from historical accuracy can disrupt the viewer's suspension of disbelief and detract from the overall experience. This is where set design becomes instrumental. 1. Research and pre-production. The journey towards period authenticity begins long before the cameras start rolling. In the pre-production phase, set designers embark on extensive research to gain a deep understanding of the chosen time period. This research encompasses everything from architecture and interior design to fashion, technology, and social customs. The more knowledgeable the set designer is about the historical context, the more accurate and immersive the final product will be. Historians, experts, and consultants are often brought in to provide valuable insights and ensure that every detail aligns with the chosen era. Primary sources, such as photographs, diaries, and historical records, are invaluable resources for understanding the past. These meticulous research efforts serve as the foundation upon which the set design will be built. 2. Creating authentic environments. Once the research is complete, the next step is to translate that knowledge into physical spaces. Set designers collaborate closely with art directors and production designers to create authentic environments that reflect the period's architecture, interior design, and aesthetics. This includes recreating historical landmarks, streets, and even entire cities. For instance, in the film The King's Speech, set designers meticulously recreated the interiors of Buckingham Palace to capture the atmosphere of the 1930s. This involved sourcing period-accurate furniture, fabrics, and decorations, down to the smallest details. Such dedication to historical accuracy pays off, as it allows the audience to step into the world of King George VI and experience his struggles and triumphs more intimately. 3. Sourcing period-authentic props and materials. One of the most significant challenges in set design for historical films is finding period-accurate props and materials. This requires a keen eye for historical detail and often involves scouring antique shops, museums, and specialized vendors. Sometimes, replicas or custom-made items are necessary to fill in the gaps when authentic artifacts are unavailable. Consider a film set in the Victorian era, where the characters are using typewriters. The set designer would need to locate authentic Victorian typewriters or commission replicas that closely resemble the originals. Every piece, from the smallest knick-knack to the most prominent set element, must be carefully chosen to align with the historical period. 4. Attention to costume and wardrobe. Set design extends beyond the physical environment to encompass costume and wardrobe as well. The clothing worn by characters in a historical film must accurately reflect the fashion trends of the era. Costume designers work in tandem with set designers to ensure that every garment, accessory, and hairstyle aligns with historical authenticity. For example, in the film Pride and Prejudice, the costumes worn by the characters mirror the fashions of early 19th century England.